Good morning.
Morning.
So today we're off on a little road trip. We're going to the Sticky Falls, which is a waterfall about an hour north of Chiang Mai.
Yeah, very excited because we haven't really been out of Chiang Mai at all since we got here, which is nearly a month ago now. So this is going to be our first little day trip.
Yeah, exciting.
So we're going to go and rent our bike now.
Yeah, heading to Mr. Mechanic.
For one bike, if two bike is 8,000 baht.
Okay.
Okay, I give this is your name, please.
Is it going to be?
It's going to be 200 baht for the bike and another 50 baht for the insurance.
And you have to give one passport.
We need to deposit a passport. Mr. Mechanic has quite a few branches in Chiang Mai. They come highly recommended on TripAdvisor. We did quite a bit of research. They have a wide choice of helmets and bikes. They also rent cars and offer insurance too.
How much was it to fill up?
It's 28 baht, but it was already full. So full tank would be about £2.
£2.
We made it to Doi Waterfall. That leads to the car park. We're going to try and walk to the waterfall. We missed the turning, and so had to ask the police, and they directed us back this way.
How long did it take?
I have no idea.
Do you know how long it took?
About an hour?
No, it was longer than that. It was about 2 hours.
2 hours?
Wow.
Oh wow.
Because it was 10 o'clock when we were signing the stuff
Yeah.
in the office.
It's 10 past 12 now.
Wow. If anyone's wondering why they're called the Sticky Falls, well, here you go. Mineral deposits in the water have given the rocks a grippy surface, so you can climb up the waterfall fairly easily, so they're called the Sticky Falls.
Andrew's going to test out the grippy rock. So the sticky rock wasn't quite as grippy as we thought.
No, most of the rock you can walk up easily, but some of it is a little bit slippy. And I got a
Turn
bit
around
wet.
again.
It's a shame it wasn't on camera because it was a bit of a comedy slip.
It looks a bit precarious.
So what's just happened?
I just fell over as well.
Oh no.
Flat on my back. So I am not going up the waterfall. I'm going to take the steps to save the camera so it doesn't get really wet, and also because I didn't like the look of the bit at the top. Not quite as adventurous as Andrew. Really?
Over the side.
Did you come up the same bit as Andrew or go around the edge? Just got up there. Some people playing golf. I think they might be the Songtao drivers or tour company drivers who are waiting for their clients.
As well as the waterfalls here, there's also a spring nearby, so we're gonna take a look. And here it is.
So we are finished at the Sticky Waterfalls and it's already 2 o'clock, so we're going to start going back to Chiang Mai and see what the time is when we get back there. We won't get lost this time, hopefully.
We actually decided to take a trip up to Doi Suthep Temple. Take a look at this. It's a long climb. So up at Doi Suthep Temple, you get views like this over Chiang Mai. Today it is a bit hazy, but you can still see for miles and miles. That's it for this week's vlog. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.